Sir, tingin mo okay kaya to? Sir, maganda ba to? Sir, pag-grade naman. Kuya, hingi lang ako ng opinion mo about this goldfish. Hi guys, good morning. I hope you're having a great weekend. In this video, let me give you a piece of advice. Marami sa inyo nag-aas na ng pag-grade tong goldfish na to. Maganda ba tong goldfish na to? But guys, let me just tell you this. Hindi ako nasali ng show, so I don't have any idea of the best quality of goldfish. Because for me, it's purely hobby. I'm just having fun, which is my solely purpose of keeping goldfish. To enjoy. As long na okay mag-swim yung goldfish, nakain yung goldfish, for me, that's enough. Kasi marami na sa atin masyado ng concern about the quality of the goldfish. Pero don't get me wrong, okay lang yan. Especially if you're planning to join a show. But if you're going to ask me kung maganda ba tong goldfish na to, ayos ba yung curve, nasa kanya ba yung quality ng show potential, I think hindi ako yung makakasagot kasi wala pa akong experience about that. But let me give you this piece of advice. If you're going to buy a goldfish, there is something about when you see a goldfish, immediately napasok sa utak mo, I want this goldfish. No matter what the quality, hindi man clean yung curve, it doesn't matter. Kasi gusto mo yung goldfish. I don't know guys. Let me give you an example. Mr. Gummy Bear doesn't have a great quality of swimming pattern. Kasi sobrang bigat ng wen niya, kaya madalas naka-facing down siya. Pero still, I like Mr. Gummy Bear. I enjoy looking at Mr. Gummy Bear because his character is what I really enjoy. Kapag lalapit ako, ang cute, parang may paping lalapit sa akin. You get the point? I'm not keeping Mr. Gummy Bear kasi nasa kanya yung magandang quality. I'm keeping Mr. Gummy Bear because I enjoy keeping Mr. Gummy Bear. What I'm saying is, if you're going to buy a goldfish, buy the goldfish that you feel keeping for the longest time. Kasi at the end of the day, kung gusto mong magtipid, kaya ka nagtatanong, and hindi mo binili yung gusto mong goldfish, believe me or not, mapapagastos ka ulit. Kasi bibili mo pa rin yung goldfish na gusto mo. Kaya naman if you're planning to buy a goldfish, I highly suggest bili mo yung gusto mo. Kung yung swimming pattern ng goldfish is okay naman, wala ring problema sa pagkain, and you feel that you will enjoy every time na kasama mo siya, go for it. Because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter kung ano man yung sasabihin ng iba. As long as you enjoy this hobby. Yun lang. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!